The Model 3 relies on three forward-facing cameras to detect other vehicles and ambient light. These cameras are crucial for the auto high beam system to function properly. These cameras are located at the front of the vehicle, as shown in this diagram. The center camera has a wide field of view for optimal detection. Dirt, grime, or even condensation on the lenses can block the cameras from detecting lights correctly. This is a common cause of auto high beam failures. Thoroughly clean the camera lenses using a soft, lint-free cloth. Avoid harsh chemicals that could damage the lens coating. If cleaning doesn't solve the issue, a camera calibration problem may exist. This can happen after body shop repairs or over time. Tesla service centers now have a diagnostic tool that significantly reduces calibration time from days to under an hour. Misalignment from body shop repairs can also cause problems. Some users have found DIY calibration methods using smartphone apps, though professional service is recommended for accuracy. Remember, camera issues are a common cause, with one expert noting that 95% uptime reliability depends on regular maintenance to avoid lens obstructions. The Tesla Model 3 uses a dedicated ambient light sensor located on the windshield to measure overall illumination. This sensor helps determine when to activate the auto high beam system, typically triggering around a 50 lux threshold. The sensor is positioned on the windshield, typically near the rear-view mirror area, where it can accurately gauge external light levels without interference. This visualization shows the sensor's typical placement near the rear-view mirror on the windshield, highlighted with the blue arrow. It's important to check for any obstructions that might block the sensor. Dirt, stickers, or windshield accessories can interfere with accurate light readings, preventing proper auto high beam activation. The light sensor can face challenges in certain conditions. Heavy fog reduces overall illumination and may confuse the system about when to switch beams. Similarly, modern LED streetlights can sometimes cause false readings due to their unique light patterns. This image demonstrates how fog can create challenging visibility conditions, with only 100 meters of visibility shown. In such environments, the light sensor may struggle to accurately assess illumination levels. The ambient light sensor uses components like light pipes and shielding to measure external illumination accurately, as shown here. The light intensity diagram illustrates how illumination decreases with distance from the source, helping understand the 50 lux threshold. Unfortunately, there is no direct way for owners to test the light sensor without specialized Tesla diagnostic tools. If you suspect sensor issues, first ensure there are no obstructions, then move on to checking other components like the cameras. Navigate to Controls Lights on your Tesla's touchscreen. Verify that the auto high beam feature is toggled on. Experiment with the sensitivity settings, low, medium, high, to see if a different setting resolves the issue. Also, check if you've accidentally enabled manual override, which can prevent the auto high beams from activating. You can also adjust these settings remotely via the Tesla app. 70% of user-initiated fixes involve adjusting settings. Tesla frequently releases over-the-air updates that address software bugs, including those affecting the auto high beam system. Ensure your Model 3 is running the latest software version. Software-centric fixes are increasingly common, with a 40% drop in reported auto high beam complaints after a specific patch improved nighttime detection accuracy in 2025. If you've exhausted all other troubleshooting steps and the auto high beams still aren't working, it's time to contact Tesla service. A faulty camera or sensor may require replacement, which is why proper diagnosis is important. For Model 3 vehicles from 2023 and newer, camera replacement is typically covered under warranty. If your vehicle is out of warranty, expect to pay between $1,500 and $2,000 for a full autopilot camera replacement. According to a 2025 J.D. Power survey, auto high beam malfunctions account for just 3% of owner complaints. Most fixes for these issues are software-based, meaning Tesla can often resolve them through over-the-air updates. Tesla is continuously improving its auto high beam system with AI advancements. Rumors suggest that machine learning models adapting to driver habits and local lighting conditions are on the horizon. Future systems may also integrate LiDAR for even more precise beam control. However, challenges like sensor interference from emerging EV lighting tech may require hybrid sensor setups. Expect these advancements to push reliability to 98%. Many Tesla owners have shared their experiences and solutions online. One Model 3 owner in California resolved auto high beam issues by cleaning the cameras after experiencing problems during a foggy drive. Another fixed the issue by using a smartphone app to calibrate the cameras after body shop repairs. These examples highlight the importance of environmental factors and grassroots solutions for non-warranty cases. Remember to check online forums and communities for additional tips and tricks.